Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. So it has been quite a while since you have seen my face. It's been quite a while since you've seen my car. It's been quite a while. It's been 8 months to be exact since I posted the last video when I said I was going to post a bunch of other videos. Life got in the way, unfortunately, and I could not continue to post on my YouTube channel. It's a little bit weird. I'm actually in the middle of the Dominican Republic right now, Punta Cana to be exact. I'm on a vacation right now, and during this vacation I decided I wanted to start up my YouTube channel again. I just recently started getting into drifting, and I wanted to go ahead and document that, since my end goal is to be a pro Formula Drift driver. Pretty ballsy, but I really want to do it, so we're gonna go ahead and get working. So this is going to be me showing my progress and me also showing you guys my car again, since it's been quite a while and a lot has happened. So this video is going to be a little bit less traditional. I'm actually going to be showing you guys what happened in the last 8 months and catch you guys back up, so that it's not just like, whoa, the car is a different color now, whoa, the car's got rims now, because, well, the car has that now. So I'm going to go ahead, get you guys caught up to speed, and then we'll go ahead and get to the new videos. I've got a couple planned, a couple ready to go, so we'll go ahead and start up this YouTube channel again. We'll start it up right. Enjoy the video, leave a like, subscribe, and comment what you like, what you don't like about the car, its current rendition, and yeah, let me know you guys' opinions. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.